In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as semiotics. Semiotics is the study of signs, symbols, and signals. In biosemiotics, I told you that biosemiotics tells us that how human beings, plants, and animals they convey their messages through signs, symbols, and signals. Listeners and audience, today I'm going to teach you binary opposition. What is binary opposition? What are the examples of binary opposition? And also, what is the importance of binary opposition in semiotics? Listeners and audience, binary opposition refers to two words which are opposite in meaning. In other words, binary opposition refers to a pair of words which are opposite from each other in meaning. Binary opposition refers to those words which are different from each other in meanings and help us to understand meaning in better way. Whenever we understand one aspect of binary opposition, another aspect is definitely clear to us. Listeners and audience, remember that there are two aspects of binary opposition. One aspect is known as non-mutually exclusive. Non-mutually exclusive means that there are some binary opposition which are opposite from each other, but both of them are present and coexist simultaneously or at one time. For example, you see male and female, men and women, they are binary opposition. They are two words which are opposite from each other in meaning, but they are coexist. They can be present simultaneously at a time. But there are some other binary oppositions which are mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive mean that they are not exist simultaneously or at a time. If one is present, another will be absent. Take the example of dark. For example, if dark is present, light will be absent. Take the example of, for example, light. If light is present, so dark will be absent. Take the example of fast and slow. If you say that this person is very fast when he is running, for example, so if fast is present, slow will be absent. If sadness is present, happiness will be absent. So hope that now you know about the concept about binary opposition. As I told you, the importance of binary opposition is that it helps us to understand the meaning clearly. Why? Because when you know one concept clearly, you know that the another concept is the opposite of it.